Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about the spice cumin, and I have a long list of foods that are known to pair well with cumin, and it's broken up into different categories to try to help you out. So if you're looking for some ideas, hopefully this will help you. In the protein category, including legumes, nuts, and seeds, there's beans in general go really well with cumin, beef, chicken, chickpeas, eggs, lamb, lentils, peas, seafood, sesame seeds, and walnuts. In the vegetable category, we've got bell peppers, cabbage, carrots, chilies, chives, eggplant, mushrooms, onions, potatoes, sauerkraut, squash, tomatoes and tomato sauce, and root vegetables. In the way of fruits, avocados go well with cumin, lemon, lime, and tamarind. In the way of grains and grain products, there's bulgur, which we know is wheat, grains in general, and also rice. In the dairy and non-dairy categories, there's cheese, especially cheddar cheese and Swiss cheese, and also yogurt. In the way of other foods, cocoa, believe it or not, will go with cumin. I hope this gives you some ideas. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.